WWE's recent actions have led me to believe that a huge name is coming back to the company at the Royal Rumble 2025 PLE. The big name in question is none other than former WWE Divas champion AJ Lee. And why do I believe so? Let's get into it. Back in December 2023, Charlotte Flair suffered an injury during a singles match on SmackDown against Asuka and went on a hiatus. For the past few weeks, there were rumors going around stating that Charlotte Flair was going to come back at the Royal Rumble 2025 PLE. Well, the rumors were true, and the Queen is finally coming back and will be a participant in the Women's Royal Rumble match. When the vignette was posted on SmackDown and WWE tweeted about Charlotte Flair coming back at the Royal Rumble, many fans were unhappy. They were upset over WWE spoiling this huge return. Now compare this with Randy Orton's return at Survivor Series War Games 2023. The Viper's return would have been huge, would have gotten a huge reaction, but WWE ended up spoiling it before the event. Why did WWE do so? Because back then, WWE knew that CM Punk was returning on the same night as well. While WWE gave away spoiled Randy Orton's return, the company knew that CM Punk's return was coming as well and was going to blow the roof out of the stadium. And that's exactly what happened. Now, history is going to repeat itself. WWE knows something the fans don't. I am predicting that WWE is working with AJ Lee for a huge return at the 2025 Royal Rumble PLE. And that's why the company spoiled Charlotte Flair's return at the event. And I'm pretty damn sure this isn't someone like Nikki Bella or Becky Lynch, who have actually wrestled in recent years. This has to be AJ Lee, whose last WWE match was way back, a decade ago in 2015, before she retired from WWE. The pop that AJ Lee will receive when she finally appears at the Royal Rumble 2025 PLE will be insane. What do you think about this prediction? Based on WWE's recent actions involving Charlotte Flair, do you think AJ Lee will finally make a return to WWE after 10 long years? Let me know in the comments below.